In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IC Market's trailing stop. A trailing stop is a dynamic stop loss that moves with price as your trade becomes profitable. Instead of setting a fixed stop and leaving it, the trailing stop automatically tightens behind the market, helping you lock in gains while still giving the trade room to breathe. Unlike a regular stop, it only ever moves in your favor. If price reverses, it stays put and can eventually be hit, closing the trade and protecting part of your profit. Before we begin, a couple of key points. Trailing stops on IC markets are available in the desktop versions of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, not on mobile. And the trailing action is handled by your trading terminal, so your computer and platform must remain running and connected for the stop to keep trailing. Also, the distance you choose matters. A tight trail locks in profit earlier but can be triggered by normal intraday noise, while a wider trail gives the trade more space but captures profit more slowly. Here's how to set it up after you've opened a trade. On MT4 or MT5, look to the bottom of the platform and open the terminal. Then select the Trade tab to see your open positions. Find the position you want to manage, right-click it to open the context menu, and hover over Trailing Stop. You'll see a list of preset distances, like 15 or 30 pips, plus a custom option. Pick a preset if it fits your plan, or choose Custom to enter any pip distance you prefer. Once you select the distance, the platform waits until your trade moves that amount into profit. Only then does the trailing stop activate, placing your stop that same distance behind current price and automatically stepping it forward as the market advances. It will never step backward if price pulls back. Let's make that concrete. Suppose you buy EUR/USD at 1.1000 and attach a 30 pip trailing stop. When price reaches 1.130, the trail turns on. If price pushes to 1.50, your stop ratchets up to 1.1020. If price then slips and tags 1.1020, the position closes with profit. If price never makes it to 1.1030, the trailing stop never activates and your original stop remains unchanged. Choose a distance that matches the pair's volatility and your strategy, and keep the platform running so the trail can do its job.